Hello guys, welcome. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other best website. You can make a Bitcoin from that website. The website is the best website. You can register yourself, and if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get started. Okay, this one is the website I'm going to share with you. This website link in description. Okay, first I'm going to show you how you can create account in here. Just I click logout. Okay, if you click my link, you come here, you watch this all. This website is new, and a lot of people come here, make much more cryptocurrency. Okay, and click sign up. For signing up, use email, your username, password, email, gender, and your country, any country you're from. Okay, and this are available all country in the world. You can choose your country. Put your Bitcoin wallet address in here. If you have Faucet Pay, paste your Faucet Pay wallet address. Click I'm robot, click this one, and come here, register yourself. Okay, now I'm going to log in myself. Okay, now I'm logging in this website. This website have claim free BTC every 5 minutes, so you can claim free BTC every 5 minutes from this website. Okay, how we can claim this one first. This one is the first one, the Faucet, and you just click this one, roll now. Okay, click this one, you choose your capture, type this one, nice job. Okay, and click press and win. Click this one and you win this number, you win 5 BTC. Okay, just reload the page and you can watch you earning ads in here. Okay, you earn 5 BTC, and you can make much more just watching advertisement. View short links, click view short links. You can watch advertisement from here. This is the all available short links. Pay the Satoshi one-time visit, and 130 short links to pay you this much BTC. Okay, and you can watch this all short links and make much more BTC, or you can watch PTC hats. The PTC hats is very easy. Just you click one of these, visit 50 seconds, wait 50 seconds in this page and fill the capture. They pay you that much Satoshi they told you. Okay, now you can see the timer is running. The page is load and the timer is running, and wait a second until the timer end. Now end. Tell you to fill the capture, just fill the capture, choose the right one, and successful. They pay you a Satoshi. Reload the page, you can watch. They pay you this much Satoshi. Okay, a Satoshi instantly. And this website is very good, and you can collect jobs, you can watch jobs, and you can refer all your friends to come here, join this website, and you can make some bonus from this website. Okay, this is all bonus. Okay, lifetime bonus. And now I'm going to tell you how you can withdraw. Just click withdraw. Every time you claim 50 Faucet claim, they told you how much is the withdrawal. What is the Faucet claim? The Faucet claim is the first one. 50 time, come here, claim 50 time this one, and they told you how much you can earn. Okay, how much you can withdraw. If you don't do that, they didn't show you the withdrawal. Okay, Okay, thanks for watching, guys. This website link in description. If you honestly work, you can make much more cryptocurrency from this website. Please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos that I upload early. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.